Okay, so when you come here for the first time, you're going to click on create new account. So you need to select username, password, first name, last name, email, phone number, visa application center, language of communication, and click on create account. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens is like after you complete the registration, in place of username, you can use your email address too, and still it's gonna work. It sends a verification link to your email that you have to click in order to get your account activated. I'm sorry. And then when you log in, this is the page you need. So when you're gonna submit a new online application, you come here. Okay. Now we are gonna go through. Of course, I won't be submitting. So I'm gonna put some sample. You do as per your own case. Family name, surname of birth, first name, given name. Okay. Date of birth, place of birth. Check your passport. You don't want any mismatch. Current nationality. India does not allow dual nationality. So the EU family member, I have selected no, but if you have, definitely do. Civil status, I select single. Next is gonna be next. I have to click here. Complete the following fields only for children age 18. So this is not applicable in our case. ID and travel documents, ordinary passport, passport number. Now all these pieces of information that you check it at least 2 times. Date of issue, date of expiry, EU family member fill only if as a family member of European, EA or Switzerland citizens. Residence, your address, right? Of course, you know that better than me. I'm putting some sample, but you do as per your case. Mobile number, address for same as per residence in the country other than country of current nationality. I select no in this case. Occupation, current occupation. So let's say this guy is a computer expert. Employer, street address, whatever it is, do it. Postal code, city, phone number. Wow. Travel information, tourism, additional information if you should provide if the member state destination. So in the Schengen region. So I have selected Greece, assuming this guy is only gonna go to Greece. Number of entries requested, one, intended date of arrival, departure, relation, okay, previous visa permit. Fingerprint previous biometric for previous for a Schengen visa, I said no. Entry permit to the final destination of country where applicable for non-Schengen country. Yes. Issued by oh, this is like passport. hosting. Where I'm gonna I select hotel or temporary accommodation. Yeah, accommodation, hotel accommodation name. Say hotel Breeze Street, postal code. Email address not mandatory, so I'm skipping it, but definitely provide that. Why would you skip it? Cost of traveling. So I select applicant, credit card. Whatever you select, it's gonna generate checklist based on that. Person filling. If different from the applicant, so this we can skip. Travel medical 100%. I select yes. Okay. So now it is ready. Okay, you can save as draft. You can check for errors too. There's an error. Email address. Wow. Okay, there's no check. So of course, you can submit it, but definitely I'm not going to do. So with the same link, you can book an appointment also. Okay. And on my appointments, you'll see any appointment that you have. Right now, application I have not submitted. Okay. There's nothing under my submitted application. Okay. You can always search for them. When you go for book appointment, okay. So I'm just gonna search. Okay, date of birth. Passport. Okay, so with this you can book an appointment. Green is available slot. Book. Of course, I'm not gonna do, but in this way you can book an appointment where you can go and submit the application, pay the fee, go for biometric and other things. I mean, once you submit the application and then you need to print and get the print, sign it and carry it along with the checklist that we had walked through. So in this way it works, guys, and you can also book your travel medical insurance from here. So this is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.